Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows update error code is 0x80070103. So it is very easy to fix this problem. So firstly you need to search troubleshoot settings and open it. Other troubleshoots, just click on it. Here Windows Update, click on Run. And wait sample will till this process will be complete. If this process will be complete, so close it. Now search CMD. Click on Run as administrator. It asks permission, so click on Yes. Now here you need to type this command line SFC, this SFC space slash SCANNOW scan now and press enter. And wait something will tell this process will be 100%. If this process will be 100%, so close it and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart, you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.